Don't go around asking people to buy a product when you meet them. Atomy may appear to sell products, but in reality, it is a business that offers. An auto sales master is the first step to becoming a leader. And a leader must do two things. The first thing a leader must do is to present a vision. A leader who cannot present a vision cannot be called a leader. It's like a commander in the military not being able to tell subordinates the attack point. If a commander cannot specify the attack target, victory is not possible. What is the goal at Atomy? There's only one goal. It's becoming an Imperial Master. What should you tell your partners then? To become a leader, you must be able to tell your partners, I will make you an Imperial Master. Another essential trait of a leader is servant leadership. We called it servant leadership. You must serve diligently for your partner to truly succeed. If you prioritize your partner's success, you must be willing to work tirelessly, even losing sleep over it. Everyone, leaders do not sleep. Don't go to sleep. For example, how do you think presidents, prime ministers, and other leaders of countries operate? Do you think they get enough sleep? I don't think so. They work extremely busy schedules, barely getting any sleep at night. Therefore, now that you have become leaders, prepare yourselves to work without sleeping. You may believe that after becoming an auto sales master and having two partners on each side, you will be propelled to success. While such things can happen, a leader does not achieve success through others, but empowers them to succeed. You need to find 12 capable people, 6 on each side, and use your experience to help your partners also become auto sales masters. In Japan, there is a mountain called Mount Fuji Mountain. Among the Japanese people, do you think there are more who have climbed Mount Fuji or more who have not? The majority have not climbed it. There are many people who live their entire lives at the foot of Mount Fuji without ever climbing it. Why haven't they climbed Mount Fuji? I think most of them haven't climbed it because they never considered doing so even while living at the foot of the mountain. The principles of success are very simple. Experts from around the world all share the same message. If you want to succeed, the first step is to believe that you'll succeed. Some of you hearing this will say that you believe you will succeed. However, when asked more specifically, what does success mean to you, many struggle to answer. To achieve success, you must think that you will succeed. And this thought needs to be specific. Write your goal of success into your life scenario. In Atomy business, it's not just something you keep to yourself, but something you talk about with everyone. Atomy appears to be a product-selling business. But in reality, it's a dream-selling business. Don't go around asking people to buy a product when you meet them. Tell those you meet that you've started a business to earn $100,000 and assure them they can achieve the same. Encourage them to follow you, where you'll serve as their consultant and guide, helping them in reaching $100,000. This is how Atomy operates. Everyone, people's words come from the spirit. It is spirit. Words are spirit. How is it that spiritual power is expressed? It's expressed through words. Spirit has nothing to do with logic. You simply say it and it happens as it is. I am present in the scene where things are not achieved logically, but are manifested miraculously. I am a witness to that miracle. As I drove around in a used Carnival SUV worth $2,500 when starting my Atomy business, what did I declare? You will become a successful person earning $100,000 a month. You will be the owner of the most expensive house in the city. You will become the person who pays the most taxes in the city. I declared these things and they all came true. You all have the ability to do that. Write it in your life scenario and talk about it to 100 people per day. Then you'll meet people who say they were looking for a business where they could earn $100,000 a month. Make it a daily goal to hear from 100 people that you're crazy. Then all of you can become crazy, successful people.